I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay. Hi guys. Thank you so much for staying with us. I just have a question. This famous couple in this business, why you start this business, but let's say in your language?
So if you're watching this, nag-start kami ng business in 2018 kasi baon kami sa utang, 86,000 of consumer debt. And si Roxanne, she prayed this powerful prayer, right?
Yeah, nag-asa ko kay Lord na tulungan kami makahanap ng legitimate na opportunity para makatulong sa pamilya namin, mabayaran namin yung mga utang namin. And thanks be to God, after ilang months, nakita ni Dave ang ads sa social media. And then, nakita namin yung opportunity, nakita namin normal everyday people na nagpupunta ng job, nakabayad ng utang nila, nagka-travel. So, yun yung na-inspire sa amin. So, nag-join kami. After that, in 16 months...
We're doing a video, 1 second.
In 16 months, nabayaran namin yung mga utang namin, and in 29 months, nag-quit ako sa job ko as a finance.
Yeah, ang pinaka-importante is now we're full-time parents. We've been there since na-born yung anak namin. We saw all the milestones and it's priceless. And if you naghanap ka ng opportunity, baka ito na yung answer sa mga prayers mo.
Thank you so much, Ate. Thank you so much, Kuya.
Salamat.
Stay with us. Thank you.